So I'm going to show you what we are doing from an analytics standpoint. So I'm going to get us started with page views, right? So what can we get done? Typical or similar analytics that you would get from Google, but inside EvolutionX. So this is our page views analytics. This is going to show us globally where does traffic come from. It's going to show you the split between user and guest traffic. This is a demo store, by the way, so there's very little data available in their store. It will be much more interesting in your store because it's a busy store with actual real customers. It shows you what those page views look like over time. It shows you your top pages, your top users within the organization. It shows you things like top landing pages, top referrers, all the way through to your top products, top categories, and top content pages. But they aren't just dumb dashboards. You can interact with them. So if I was to go ahead and filter on Sam Altman, then we can filter the activity to what's Sam's top pages and what's his top landing pages he visits and what's the top categories that Sam spends time in. So any data point on this screen can be filtered, and you can just keep piling the filters on top of each other to create any view that you would like. So thinking about page views, the ultimate in page views is what's happening on the website right now. What if you could just tell who is on right now, and more importantly, what are they doing, right? That's the ultimate in analytics. So again, because this is only a demo site, I only have one user who's logged in right now, but your site might have 50, and it'll actually list out the users. It'll tell you geographically where they're located. And then you can literally filter on a user and then voyeuristically just sit and watch them make their way through the website and check out the things that they do while they're on there, which is really, really cool stuff. We have another analytics dashboard that I want to show you guys called Search. So this is the ability to really get deep on search. Okay, so what do people search for across the platform? So again, small numbers because it's a demo site, but there's 156 total searches. I can see the keywords, top words, and the top customers. But I want to actually filter on failed searches. What are people searching for but not actually getting any results for? So I'm going to click and filter on failed searches. Then I'm actually going to pick a user within my customer base. I'm actually going to filter by Sam Altman and say, what is Sam Altman looking for but he can't find? And of course, it's always the same answer. He always needs GPUs and he can't find any more. So that's just an example of how you can slice and dice that data. You could come at it from a different angle, by the way. So you could go into a failed search and you could pick a company and say, what's that company unable to find? Or you could pick a term and work back from the term to the actual customer who's finding it. So that's what you're going to see from us short term on analytics. But I think we've got the bug now and we're going to just keep grinding on the analytics problem. So more of that to come.